I started with nothing, zero. Just me, a cheap camera, and a dream. But today, I shoot for big campaigns, top clients, and everything in between. So how did I go from this to this? Let's dive into it. My first shoot, disaster. I thought, let's just shoot whatever light is available. Spoiler alert, it was horrible, it was terrible. Clients, none. Money, even less. But I kept going because honestly, I was obsessed. Every mistake, a lesson. Every rejection, a reason to push harder. My first breakthrough, something for a friend of a friend's small business. I made $200. Did it feel like I made it? Heck yes. But was it actually worth my time? Absolutely not. But it taught me how to deal with real clients. And that $200 I reinvested, I upgraded my gear. Watched every tutorial on YouTube out there, and most importantly, network like crazy. Advertising photography is a beast. It's not just about shaping a pretty picture, selling a vision, or just nailing a client's expectations. My first job, a local clothing brand. I stayed up all night editing to make it perfect. And when they called back for another project, that's when I knew this wasn't just a hobby anymore. Here's the deal, never stop learning. Every shoot is a chance to grow. Invest in yourself. That cheap gear might work now, but the pros need tools to deliver. Value work. Don't charge $200 for a $2,000 shoot. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. Today, I work with brands I used to dream about. It's not luck, it's just hard work, persistence, and a lot of trial and error. But if I can do it, so can you. So, what's holding you back from chasing your dreams? If you are ready to level up, hit that subscribe button and follow me. Like, subscribe, and comment below of who was your first client and how much you charge and how much you charge now. I'm sure there's a big difference. Until next time, bye.